partially remove or recover the background from any particular image in Canva. So hey guys, in this tutorial I'm going to show you how you can essentially remove or recover a particular portion or any specific part of a background of any image in Canva. So as currently you can see that I have this blank Canva design ready right here in front of me. And in order to demonstrate, the first thing that I'm going to do is add an image into this particular Canva design. So in order to add a stock image, I can simply click onto this elements tab present over the left hand side. And as you can see that I have searched for cars. So under the photos, I can choose any image. So for example, let's say this image right here. So once I click onto this, you can see that the image has been successfully added into my canvas. So now the next thing that we are going to do is first remove its background. So in order to remove its background, I need to simply select this image first and then click onto this BG remover. To make sure that this is a premium feature and will require you to have an active Canva premium subscription. And once I click onto this, you can see that with just a single click the background of this image has been successfully removed. And now comes our part where we will attempt to restore a specific part of this particular image background. So to do that, the steps are the same. First select the image and then click onto this BG remover. Once you will click onto this BG remover this time, it will give you two options. The first one is to erase and the another one is to restore. So simply click onto this restore button and it will give you this brush, this circular brush using which you can easily recover the background, drag along it. So like this, you can see that the background is being recovered. And also if you want to increase the brush size, you can simply drag it towards the right, and here you can see that the brush size has been increased, and that's how you can remove or recover the background partially. Or for example, let's say if you don't want to show this, you can simply click onto this erase and then fill these gaps again. So you can choose only that particular background that you want to show or appear in this image. And once you are done with this, you can simply click onto this cross button, and here you can see that this is our image with partial background, whereas the rest of the background is missing. So that's how you do this in Canva. So that's all for this video. If this video was helpful to you, consider giving this video a like. To tell us in the comments how it went for you, or if you have any suggestions or questions to ask, then ask them in the comments. And also don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel for more such helpful and exciting video content. Thanks for watching and have a nice day.